This is the letter M. Big M, little m. The letter M makes the M sound like moon. A lot of words begin with the letter M, like milk, mouse, man, mirror, mushroom, money. What other word begins with the letter M? M is for, that's right, monkey. What is a monkey? Monkeys are fascinating animals that come in many different kinds, like capuchins, howlers, and macaques. Monkeys usually have long arms and legs, a long tail, and furry bodies with bright eyes and expressive faces. They mostly eat fruits, leaves, and nuts, though some might munch on insects too. You can find monkeys living in tropical rainforests, mountains, and savannas across the world. Monkeys are very social creatures, often living in groups called troops. And they communicate with each other using sounds, facial expressions, and play. Let's look at a monkey. What are the parts of a monkey? I see ears, a face, 2 arms, 2 legs, and a long tail. Let's look at some different monkeys for ideas. What do you see? I see monkeys in many different styles. There's no right or wrong way to make a monkey. Let's draw a monkey. You need paper, marker, and something to make color with. Time to create our monkey art. Oval on its side with 2 little circles or little ovals colored in. That's going to be our monkey's nose. We're going to do a little straight line down. Underneath his straight line, we're going to do a smile line and then a matching smile line underneath. Go ahead and color that in. So now we have our monkey's nose and his mouth. Above his nose and to the side, we're going to do 1, 2 small circles with 1, 2 colored in small circles on the inside. And we're going to start building our monkey's face. So we're going to do a little dot in the middle in between of his eyes. And then do a curved line down to underneath his mouth. And a curved line down to meet it. Very nice. Now we're going to do a jump line from the top and over. And now we have our monkey's head. Our monkey's going to have little curved ears. 1, 2 little rainbow lines. I'm going to go ahead and add in smaller curves on the inside to give them a little detail. And you know what? Monkeys have really human faces, so I'm going to go ahead and give mine eyebrows. Alright, so now we have our monkey's face. Now my monkey is going to be swinging from the trees. So I want enough room for his body and his arms and legs. Let's put our marker at the bottom of his face and do an oval type shape up and around. It's going to be our monkey. Now my monkey is going to be swinging from the tree, so his legs are going to be loose. So I'm going to do 1, 2 curved lines, 1, 2 curved lines down. And monkeys kind of have almost human looking feet, but they have longer toes. So I'm going to do a little curve for his toe and then do some wiggly lines for the rest of his feet. Little curve for his toe and then some wiggly lines for the rest of his feet. Cute. All right. Now my monkey's going to be needing to hold on to 1 branch or vine. So he's going to have 1 arm going up. I'm going to make that with 2 curves. And 1 arm going down, just like Tarzan. Again, I'm going to make that out of 2 curves. And I'm going to make monkey hands, giving him 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers. He actually has 5, but I'm going to put 4 because that's what looks good to me. Cartoons are fun like that because with a cartoon style, you can be a little loosey-goosey with the rules. So I have 4 fingers on this hand, and I'm going to have a curling monkey tail because I think that would be cute. So I'm going to do a curving line out, do a little hook at the end like our cat tail, and a curving line matching going all the way around and back to. So I'm going to give him an oval shape on his belly just to show that there's different colors of fur. And I'm going to give him some little lines to show that he's furry. Remember, monkey starts with the letter M. So I'm going to do a big M and a little M just to help you remember. All right, let's add some color to our monkey. I was feeling a little silly, so I decided to give my monkey a cute pink nose, kind of a peachy color, and then a fun pop of purple for his fur, just because. Ta-da! You made a monkey! That's magical. Remember, monkey is for M, the letter M. Thank you for joining us today. Please consider liking and subscribing to Bold Soul Whimsy. See you in the next one.